Sunday morning with the Philadelphia SOX Index on an hourly chart. We're going to define the major support trends. We're going to define how they had gapped higher, how they had made the high, and then the big reversal down. And they came right back to where the high of the gap was to land at the support level. We're calling for a significant trend change. And we want you to join the live trading room. We want you to be more excited than you have ever been before. We have a daily sell signal we ended up with. We define the gap down that qualifies. We define the lower high at resistance that qualifies. It's the leading sector that leads bull market rallies higher and bear market rallies lower. This is the time for you to take advantage of the Sunday morning trend change in the Philadelphia SOX Index. It's your moment to shine. It's your moment to have the glory in the trade. And we can define it by using our support and resistance. And we have the daily sell signal. And the technical indicators have pointed down to support the analysis and resistance with the sell side versus the buy side, meaning that the bear is totally in control, as we have predicted, and that we have told you. Tell all your friends about this. Get everybody excited about this. Get yourself ready. Join us for free today. Take the action that you need to take for you to be successful here and now. Let's start today.